This is my 1995 Rm125 two-stroke dirt bike that I've been working on for a bit. Got this thing finally running. Took it to a shop, paid about 40 bucks, and they got it running great. Before, it wouldn't idle. It was running super rich. I had 180 main, and I think like a 50 pilot or something like that, 52 pilot. But, yeah, so it wouldn't run. Yeah, it was a big problem. I could not get this thing to run no matter what I did. I tried a 172 main jet, didn't work. So I took it to the shop. They put a 160 main jet, I think, and a 45 pilot in there. And yeah, I'm running just over a 40-to-1 mixture, fuel mixture. So yeah, but let's start it up. You guys hear it sounds now, and take it for a quick spin. But yeah, so 1995 Suzuki Rm125 two-stroke. It runs a lot better now, so takes me out for a spin. The clutch does catch a little bit of drag. That's alright. Have a rear brake, so I can't ride it too hard. Well, there's neutral. Yeah, just so you guys know, that's like pretty much rolling burnout right there. A little bit of a wheelie. Damn neutral. But yeah, I'll try a restart here for you, so you guys can just see how it starts. Then you can hear how it drags on the clutch. Dang, neutral! I keep hitting neutral every dang time. I'll try that again here. Yeah, look at the yard. There we go. Yeah, I just do a burnout in the yard. It is absurd. It is awesome. Show you guys the damage. Can't get it in neutral when it's stopped, but I can while I'm riding it. It's awesome. Yeah, so that's what the yard looks like now. There's a good burnout. I'm gonna stop doing that now on this. Alright, well, I'm gonna take this on the road quick. This is very safe. I'm just gonna show you how the top speed is on it. Dang it. Can't get that thing into neutral. Alright, let me get the speed app out. Alright, so I got the speed app going here. See how this works. Say this thing's fast. But yeah, so that was a top speed. I'll have to check my phone and see what that was. That was 6 wide open. I can't get it in freaking neutral, dude. What the heck, neutral? There we go. Alright. I can't stop rolling. Alright. Top speed. Really? 54? Dude, it has to be going more than that. That was 6 gear pinned. It feels like 70. This is BS. Well, apparently it was 54. I think it's like 70. Because it feels like it does when I'm riding my 22 YZ250F. And I check the top speed on that and it's like 70 something. So, this thing feels much faster than that says it is. But, yeah. Just gonna ride this thing around a bit more. There's some pure two-stroke sound right there. brake foot on this. I got no front brake. Alright, well, I mean, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like down below if you enjoyed. The Rm125 is running and riding great now. It's got a lot of power. I plan on rebuilding the rear shock and stuff and taking it to the track because the linkage is all toasted stuff. So I'm going to rebuild this and take it to the track. I got my chain guide or chain guard on, but yeah. Have to try this on the track someday. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure you subscribe and leave a like down below. I'm going to leave you guys with the nice sweet sound of this Rm125. And I'll see you guys in the next video.